How long have you been a Cornwell dealer?
We are going into our 5th year as a Cornwell dealer.
And what did you do before you became a Cornwell dealer?
I was a lifetime Mini Cooper and BMW technician. I wanted to do something that I could do for a long time that would benefit my family better than just doing your, average job. I'd always wanted to do something on my own, so I decided that, this was a better fit for me long term. As a tech, I've been a tech for most of my life. I had a couple really good Cornwell dealers when I started. The price point was always better than the other brands, and I really fell in love with the American-made stuff. The sockets never really broke. We never had any issues. So a lot of the reason that I went with this franchise was because of the product itself. Being a small family-owned business, we can relate, and I feel like Cornwell does a better job at keeping the franchises going than others do. As a company, Cornwell really helps their dealers out. My wife helps me. She works for the truck full-time, stocking in tools or running tools to customers or running our Facebook page. She's very involved. We both work full-time at this.
The harder we work, the more successful we are, and I like that we can put everything into this business and we see the return on that. I
mean, there's a certain sense of pride of running your own business. Also, the relationships that I've grown with my customers. I knew that you would have good customers and that you would become friendly with some of them, but some of them become some of my best friends. The network that you get from being out on the road with these people all day, really awesome. It wasn't something that I had anticipated, so that was a really big benefit.
Be prepared to work hard. It is a lot of work, but it's worth it. I think that you can do it. You just need to know that it's not a 9-to-5 gig. You're going to be working long nights, you're going to be working weekends, but at the same time, it enables you to do the things that you want to do, like take a vacation or take a day off. And if you put in the time, it'll pay off for you for sure.
Honestly, I like doing this, period. Getting people into the right tools and I mean, a lot of our customers are getting to the point where they're having kids and growing families and again, building on those relationships. I think that's probably my favorite part. Helping them get really good deals on stuff that's going to further their, technician life, I think is really a cool part of this. You can do it. If you have the work ethic, you can work on your sales skills, you can work on other stuff. You can definitely do it. It's an attainable goal. A lot of people think that, you go from working as a technician that it's a really high goal that to do this, and Cornwell makes it so that you can and you can climb that ladder and be a really successful dealer. You can be your own boss. We are Crean Tools, and we are your Cornwell dealer.